Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how can you create a shine scanning effect in CapCut for PC. So it is super simple. You are just going to add one effect to your clip. So for instance, I'm just going to select the test images to the track, and you can also add your videos or photos you like to edit. So just going to back and select like effect, so you can find the blood blinding, so blood scanning. This is for effect. You have to join proper to be able to use this effect, and after you download it, just add to the track and you can make it shorter according to the duration of the one clip. And yeah, you can copy paste the, the effect and put on top clip all the clip. And then you can also just forward the option of the effect here. Alright, so this is the final effect you have on your video, and you can also add the transition. I think it's cool effect from CapCut, and I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. And if you have any question, please leave in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching.